bar graph this week. And tomorrow you're going to have a bar graph and on the test 2 bar graphs, and you will have to be able to tell me the information. You will have a bar graph and then some questions like, how many crayons does Sue have, or something like that. So we're going to go over what we learned about bar graphs this week, and it should help you a lot on your test. Alright, let's look at the way a bar chart is made. Can you name its different parts? This is the vertical axis, or the what's going to call the vertical axis. And this is the horizontal axis. I thought there were 2 axes, the vertical one and the horizontal. And this is a bar. Okay. The height of bars show how many of something was scored or recorded. The horizontal axis and the vertical axis are always labeled. Alright, what does this bar chart show? We're going to answer these questions. How many children were surveyed? Let's look at how many children were surveyed. Okay, we have favorite crisps. Crisps are chips. Number of children that were surveyed. Number of children. And we have the different flavors. So this right here tells how many children are surveyed. And this right here tells the flavor of chips and how many children like that specific flavor of chips. Okay, so how many children were surveyed? Why we tell that is you go to the top of this chart and you look at this top number. How many children were surveyed? Yep, 8. Which is the favorite flavor? Well, which bar is the highest? Can't be this one. Definitely can't be this one. Which bar is the highest out of all these bars? Cheese and onion. So most students like cheese. Most children like cheese and onion chips. Which is the least liked chip? That's right. The smallest bar. The prawn cocktail. And only one child like that. What intervals are intervals are numbers? What numbers are used on the y-axis? 1 through 8. What intervals or numbers could you use if twice as many children were surveyed? You can use 2s, 4, 6, 8, 10s, or you can count by 10s or 5. Alright? You won't have to answer anything like that tomorrow. It'll be straightforward questions. So this is basically telling you how to make a how you survey people. Okay. And I think that's about it. That's all you can do tomorrow. Just know how to look at the bars until answer the questions. And you'll be very simple questions you need to answer. And of course, I'll be there to assist you if needed. Alright? That's it. Alright, thank you.